Okay, so now for the exciting part. Let me show you exactly what the students see. So unfortunately, I cannot show it to you on my phone at the moment because this is on the computer, but here is a mock-up. So once that student gets that text message link or the email link, they can check their devices. And they can go ahead and when they click on that link, it will show them a landing page. It looks just like this. So you're taking your students to University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill on February 26th, 2026. What they will see is the college stats. Again, this is pulled from the college scorecard. So they'll see this high level information at the beginning. And they'll go ahead and put their email in to get started and then click Start My Visit. Okay, so here we see visit conditions. What's it like on campus today? The weather will be automatically populated. The terrain, that is also auto-populated based on the location of the university. And then we ask the student how they're feeling. So let's say we're feeling excited. And up here, you will see their progress. They will be able to see their progress and they can toggle in between each of these numbers as they go through the different pages. So if they're in the info session and let's say the college scorecard data says acceptance rate is 19%, but they're in their info session and they hear their presenter saying something different, maybe the acceptance rate has changed and it's now 25%, they can change that up right there and that will supersede any information that they will see on their overview. So info session notes, really liked the area. Okay. And so as they move through the tour questions, it is categorized by category. So academics, housing and campus life, cost and financial aid, community and culture, and a free and open space where they can write anything they want. So you'll be able to see this right here, academics, campus life, financial aid, and career prep are their question categories. If there are important dates, they can just click here and click add a date. They can specify what the application or what the date signifies. So we'll say app deadline. And then we'll say the date for that is the 27th, save to calendar. And then they can add another date as they so see fit. Next, we'll go to photos. If we want to take some photos, they can do that. They can do that right there on their phone. It will open up to their camera and it will be saved. And then they have their final reflection. So take a moment to reflect on their visit. This is where they will fill out information about their first impressions, what stood out positively or negatively, and if they could see themselves here, why or why not. So, and if they feel like they need to go back and make a change, they can easily toggle back to the appropriate page and the appropriate topic area or subject area. When they're done with their visit, they can click complete visit and there we go. And it's saved and it's done. And so now they're ready to head back to their student dashboard and be able to review everything that they put in their into their visit. So here's where you come in. You've seen the app, you've seen the dashboards. And so I'm going to be sending you a test link so you can experience this yourself. Both the counselor side and the student side. I want you to go through it and not just click around. I want to know if the student flow feels intuitive, if there are questions missing that you think students will actually ask on the tour. Does the counselor dashboard give you what you need? And if it's something that you would use and recommend with your students. So you will also see just a space to write your comments in, and I would love to know what you think. Thank you.